Hey there, welcome back to the world. We are here in Amritsar. It was a very long journey, so I could not film anything, and I'm really tired. But yeah, it was like I slept, but not that good. Anyways, if you want to see the journey and if you missed the vlog, it is in the description down below. The link is available there. And yeah, we're going to see the Golden Temple now, and after that, we'll see the Jallianwala Bagh, and later, we'll see the Wagah border, and I'll update you guys accordingly. बस आमची गेली आम्हाला ओढून गेली पप्पा look here Hee. Starting from here, I'm gonna add voiceover because I could not talk in the crowd. It was a bit difficult to because of the voices around, because of the sound. But oh my god, I loved the architecture, I loved the beauty around. Bradley was a bit irritated because he was feeling really hot and uncomfortable, of course. But walking out the streets, it was amazing. I felt all of the beauty there. And here we are entering the gates of the Golden Temple. It was serene. Like, this shot has my whole heart. The environment there, the atmosphere was so peaceful. There was music playing, there was this water flowing, and the prayerful atmosphere had captivated my heart. I wanted to stay there forever. And here I am entering through the gateway of Jallianwala Bagh, and it was so much to take in. The entryway was beautifully made. All of the statues were so reminiscent of the time then. And here we are having a look around. We were trying to navigate the space, which was quite difficult. And the local pigeons here were too cute. They were absolutely adorable. I was absolutely in love with these. This one in specific was just like a statue. It was too cute. And here we are walking down the lanes, leading towards the wall that had the bullet imprints. And it was very scary. Like, the imprints were huge. Like, it was scary. Imagine those bullets. It would be very scary. And there was this monument built as a memorial, which was very beautifully made. And here we are leading towards the well that people had jumped into. It was quite dark, we could not see properly through it, but we could see like a bit of the pit down there. Kai, lassi. How is it? How is it? How is it? Yummy. Show. Show lassi. Aya na show. Oh, lassi. Have it. तुला नका का तुला नका This market area might be my favorite because the stores had names in Punjabi as well as English, which were so good. Like, the architecture was to die for. And I even got jhumkas as a memory from there, which might start a new tradition. And it did. And this monument right in the middle was the center of all attraction. We are just waiting here for a bus. That's the stove, guys, the stove. Tell you. Hi guys, I'm so sorry I could not vlog much. I could not speak much actually because we were just rushing from here to there, from there to there, because you have to follow a specific itinerary. And Brads, say hi. We're both really tired, so we're gonna just go have a little nap, then an outfit change, and then we'll meet you guys at Wagah border. Hi guys, we are all set, ready to go to Wagah border. Here's my outfit, and I'm carrying a cap so that I stay protected. I'll meet everyone down there, and I'll see you guys later. Can we just take a moment to appreciate the sky? Oh my god, it's perfect. Biscuit? Biscuit. Bradley, you want biscuit? So to enter the Wagah border area, we had to form two separate queues, male and female. So I was walking alone, and I got these beautiful sky shots. And oh my god, the flag was everything. The crowd, oh my god, there was so many people to watch the Wagah border parade. And here there is an amazing shot of the flag. Oh my god, I'm just in awe.
की तरफ से जेसीपी अटारी के प्रांगण में पधारने के लिए हार्दिक स्वागत है। कृपया ध्यान दें, जो भी दर्शक स्टेडियम में खड़े हैं उनसे निवेदन है कृपया जल्द से जल्द अपने अपने स्थान पर बैठ जाएं। साथ ही बीएसएफ कार्मिकों द्वारा दिए गए दिशा निर्देशों का पालन करें एवं बीएसएफ का सहयोग करें।
Somehow these two caught me in the crowd and they came and sat next to me. And oh my god, this space was filled with people all over. Like, I can't imagine the sheer crowd that has come to watch this parade. And oh my god, this happens daily, I suppose. Wow. So the women were leading us in the parade. There were women called over who were sitting down in the lower area of the stadium, and they were called to fleur the flags, to dance in the parade. There were like songs playing and they were dancing, and the entire atmosphere was so amazing. It was filled with patriotism. There were people dancing in the stands. It was fun. Like everyone was enjoying. They were enjoying the patriotism. They were enjoying the Indian spirit. And here I was dancing as well. Of course, I will show you the next segment where I feel so bad where I literally have to mute the audio because otherwise I would get a copyright strike. But this was so good. They were playing all the Bollywood songs, they were playing all the patriotic songs, which were the kind you could dance on. Imagine us dancing on India Wale there. We were singing our hearts out. I was practically screaming at this point. Like, if you see my face, I am literally screaming. And it was so much fun. Dad was dancing. Brad is just nodding. Brad was Brad was just too happy to be there. And the next segment actually shows the Seema Suraksha Dal song, which was my favorite. I don't know if this is gonna get copyrighted, but it was my favorite. I was humming it the entire way home. I loved that they had dogs come in the parade. I love that. They did a little stunt and too. And now I'm gonna shut up and let you guys enjoy the feels yourself.
व्हिडिओ काढते मग मी काढते एक्सपिरियन्स काय होता? टू गुड ना.
प्राऊड टू बी एन इंडियन मॅन. थोडं मस्त मस्त सॉलिड. काय जोश आहे ना डूड. चला केला थांबलं. शोलो शोलो शोलो. अय तू दे पण दे. उई ते 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 काय 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 रेडी काय. ओय डिनर सीन्स बी लाईक. बॅग नाही बघ.
When you have too much luggage.
When you have too much luggage and nothing fits in your bag.
Success.
Success, chalo. And we are on the go again. We are leaving for Pahalgam. So we'll be going to Jammu first, and we will be taking काय करायचं आपण? We'll be taking a bus to first train to Jammu and then bus to Pahalgam. Yeah, we'll be doing that, and we are leaving. It's the time is 11:20. We have a train at 1. So yeah, let's go. Bye. I'll update you guys on the trip. Please keep watching. जो आएगा. Bye. ये मस्त मिला ब्राइडली. चलो
Say adios to this.
आदियोस अमृतसर. बाय बाय. सी यू समडे इन द फ्यूचर. वापिस आने का मन करेगा तभी.